So many reasons why I want it for you, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair sent me this wig like a month ago and I filmed a video for it, but I did not like how it turned out when I was editing, so I'm like, I really need to refilm it, and then I got sick. So now that I'm better, I'm like, let me just go ahead and do this video so you guys can see. Look how pretty this looks. And today's video is a video that's very like dear to my heart and important to me, because I just been seeing, you know, a lot of young people dying and all these things like that, and I'm like, what if, you know, like even if we eat healthy and we work out and stuff like that, you're trying to be so healthy and then we're putting like terrible products in our pores, in our skin, on our head and everything like that. So today's video is not sponsored or anything like that. I just came up with this idea to show you guys what I've been doing to change the products that I've been using that's better for your skin and everything like that. Because, you know, if you want to look cute and you want to look good, you want to make sure that you're putting good stuff on your skin and not toxicity. So today I'm going to show you my Glueless method and 2 great products that I recommend that you guys use to do this method. Because I don't know, when I scan, well I use Yucca and you have to take it with a grain of salt, but still, when you turn the packaging around, you can see the ingredients for yourself. And if a product has so much ingredients and so much preservatives and all these things, I just don't get it no more. Like, I just don't get it, because it's like, okay bruh, why do you need all these products for a simple like hairspray or a simple lotion or something like that? I always look for the one that has less. So today's video is going to show you guys the minimalistic way and a more healthier way to install your wigs. And I hope that one of you or anybody out there that's seeing this video really tries this out and let me know how you feel. Literally, my wig is so secured, and I don't have to worry about if I have bad products seeping into where my brain is. My brain is up here, and like, you know, we're wearing wigs and stuff and to look good and everything like that, but you want to feel good also, and in the long run you don't want yourself to be sick because of you wearing wigs and all this shit. So I recommend that you guys try this out, and if you're interested in seeing the products that I use, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my wig, Glueless, and also I'm gonna have a video coming up maybe before this or after this one, and it's gonna be on me scanning some products, and you guys are gonna see products that are so freaking bad, and I didn't even know that it was bad. I'm just like, you know, trying to change my life, so I'm trying to use like more healthier products, like even when it comes to like hair products, skin products, everything like that. So the video is gonna be me scanning the products, so you don't have to waste your money and you can see what is good and what's not good, and some of my recommendations. And the first thing is gonna be the gel that I use for my Glueless installs. So I'm just gonna put this in this video. This is the gel that I'm currently gonna be using. I hope y'all can see that and it's not too bright. This is the gel I'm gonna be using. It's excellent. It has great ingredients, so I know it's not gonna be seeping bad things and toxicity into my freaking pores. I'm about to put on this blonde wig from Nadula. It's silky straight, so I don't even have to do nothing. I'm probably just gonna run a flat iron through it, but I want to put it on before I do my makeup because I don't know, I just want to do that. My hair is looking crazy. I do have my regular straight backs, so I'm gonna put on a wig cap to hold my edges down. I don't know if you could tell how thick this is, but it's like a really thick gel. It's good enough to brush my hair back with. So I'm just gonna brush my edges back. This is the inside. I already tightened the band in the back, and it comes with a band inside already for you, a removable one. Ooh, child. It's good. Ooh, it's tight. It's pretty snug at the top, but I'm gonna just go ahead and stick the sides down because I do not want this moving at all. I don't want to do no baby hairs. I'm probably just gonna do like light edges. I really want to stick the wig down, but I also don't. I'm just gonna take out some of the hair right here, and I'm going to trim it down. And then I'm gonna put some of that same gel I showed you guys. I should just trim this down. So now it's like that. I'm gonna just take this Ebin spray and I'm going to spray. Ooh, I'm gonna spray down the sides because the side here is the most important part that's gonna help my wig to stay in place. Okay, and you really want this to kind of feel dry before you tie it down, because if you don't, this is gonna stick to your band or whatever you choose to tie it down with. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna put anything in the front. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the gel and kind of brush the hair back like that. And then I think it's gonna be pretty good. I could just put like a little spray, but I'm gonna just spray it on my finger and then tap it in. That's good. So now I'm gonna do the other side. It's literally just like light baby hair, so you don't even need to pull out a lot. Just like right here. I don't like it to be big, especially on blonde hair. I don't like the baby hairs to be big because then it looks really, really unnatural. And then I just do the sideburns because that's what's gonna keep the wig down. If it was a closure, obviously you wouldn't have to worry about that, but it's not. I need some new scissors. I don't know where my other scissors went. Now I'm going in with the gel. Kind of just mold it down. The gel kind of helps for it to stick down before you spray. That, and then I spray. This is like the best method for winter time. I decided I just want to spray some right here. And once this is like dry to the touch, then you could tie your wig down. If you do not do that, like I said, your wig is gonna come off with the band. I'm gonna tie it down before I press it out, and then I'll do my makeup. I want to make sure that, like, even if I want a little piece in the back here out, I can do that. It doesn't have to be long, but I want to be able to like put the hair behind my ear and still have like a little natural piece out like that. I'll just trim it down like right here like that. So I did not show you guys what came in the box. So I'm going to just show you because I want to take the band out of the box to actually tie my wig down. So this is the band. I mean, this is the box. Don't pay attention to right here. I had to write this because I be doing, you know, I be getting a lot of wigs from Nadula. So this one is their blonde wig. So this is the box it came in. When I open it up, regular packaging, it comes in like the white net. You get a little satin bag to put all your stuff in. Your goodie bag, it has your wig band, wig cap, lashes, and a brush so you can apply your foundation. And then they put in a robe. I love when they include these little robes. I actually didn't open this since like last month, so I didn't even remember that they had a robe in it, or I would have put the robe on for the video, but they have a robe. They put another wig cap and another band. So I'm going to use this band to actually tie my wig down before I do my makeup. So this is the Nadula headband. I'm gonna just tie the wig down like this, and I try to give it enough pressure so that it can actually stick. So sometimes the elastic itself like isn't tight enough, so sometimes I have to like hand tie it. Yeah.
Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. your dad don't like me, see me, I want like you know, see me there for you, cara. And if not, you price me, God, I feel like don't see ya. I never trade you for nothing. This love will make you me the dark machine.
For some reason, I was too excited and I forgot to do an outro. So this is how the wig turned out. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Do not forget to check out Nadula hair. I absolutely love this blonde wig. It's giving, it's eating. And I've seen some people asking me, where did I get this blonde wig? But I wanted to wait because I want to make sure that I have the links. So the links are in my description box below. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out the description box. And I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm gonna tell you what's up, girl. I'm gonna make me